Hey, grade 12. So I'm going to be going over the Writing 101 assignment that is posted on Google Classroom as of now. And so this video will explain a little more detail on what you need to do for it. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is your work period. I will be available on Google Meet between 9 and 10 each day if you have any questions, and you are still expected to post checking in the comments for each daily post that I have for those days, so we can keep track. Your animal farm is done, and also that's due on the 10th. Summaries and projects, and if you need a little more time, then just let me know. But you have to move into this assignment, and of course your TED Talks. And the TED Talks are the 16th and 17th officially. If you want to get it done sooner, the Monday, Tuesday will work as well. Just let me know, and so we'll have Google Meet available for that as well. All right, so let's get into sharing. And as I stated, this document is on Google Classroom. So take note of the bolded section here. You're only doing 5 for assignment 1, which is the building blocks. Please don't do all the easy ones. Show a little diversity in your choices, please. Assignment 2, everyday writing. Choose 5 to complete, and anything that says letter and return address, if you're not sure how to do that, open up Word, Microsoft Word, and click New, type in letter, and it'll provide you a template that you can just fill in the blanks and answer, do your assignments through those templates. So it's all there, and it's up to you to figure out how to get that written up, because it's there. The templates are there. It's just a matter of you taking the initiative to find those templates, use them, and utilize them to complete the task at hand. Messages are pretty straightforward. Email, if you're typing it out, I don't expect you to do a screenshot of your email screen or whatever the case, but you could, all you need is 2. I wouldn't worry about CC, that's your carbon copy, or blind CC, that's your BCC. Just go to subject and then the message, okay? Directions, when you're giving or providing directions, please be specific. Use actual, like north, south, east, west. Use street names or landmarks or any specific details. Don't generalize, be specific when giving directions. And if you don't know the street names, then use the ones you do know, and then use your directions accordingly. If you have to do some research, look on Google Maps or whatever, then you can figure out the specifics that way too. But don't assume that I know where everything's located. You're going to direct me, okay? And same with directions on making a phone call. Don't assume that I know how to use a phone, okay? I do know how to use a phone, but I don't assume it. So you're going to direct me through each step. And don't skip a step either. And same with the remote control, just your basic, whatever remote control you know how to use very well. Describe that and say it, how you would describe it to a person in your family who doesn't know how to use a remote control, and go from there. Just journaling, be specific on dates, places, names, that kind of stuff. Don't generalize again, be specific. Assignment 3, nonfiction writing. These are true events. They involve actual people, actual actions, things like that. So choose 5 to complete. Again, you're using real events. So this is just between you and me. So just answer those journals accordingly. How long do they have to be? Journals are not very long. So for sure, half page minimum for your journals. If they need to go longer, then fine. Focus on quality, not quantity. And assignment number 4, fictional writing. This is made up. Mainly fictional is made up, but it's inspired by true events or actual events. So just choose 2 that you would like to do for that one. Disregard the classes there. We're not taking 17 classes because we don't have 17 classes. We would, if I was teaching this in a semestered system, this would take quite a few classes to go through. Assignment 5, choose 3. This is poetry. Cinquain poem. If you haven't, if you're not familiar with the Cinquain poem, it's a 5-line poem. The first line is a noun. Line 2 would be 2 adjectives to describe that noun. Line 3 would be ing words that correspond with that noun. The prepositional phrase corresponds with the noun. So, but your prepositional phrases, just so you are, if you remember from the poem and the parts of speech poem in the classroom, but it is location. So around the corner or up the hill or through the door, down the hall. Okay, so those words down, through, around, those are your prepositions. And then of course the phrase is where you're going. Okay. And of course you finish with another noun that corresponds with the first noun. Okay, not the same noun, but like not using the same noun that you had in the first noun, but a noun that is corresponding with everything. Haiku. So you are actually doing a poem for spring, summer, fall, and winter experiences. And they're 3-line poems, and they deal with syllables. So 5 syllables in line 1, 7 syllables in line 2, 5 syllables in line 3. So I'm just going to count this up here. Oh, I have a spelling mistake. Ritty, right. Got to proofread here. So okay, so this whole sentence here, you'd go, write 1 poem for a spring, summer, fall, winter experience. 2 fingers on a hand. That's what we taught that's how we were taught in elementary school, how to figure out our syllables. So you just count them up, okay, as you're reading it through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so there you go. I think that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There you go, 15 syllables. But we're only doing 5, 7, 5. There you go. Number 3, write 5 individual lines about the first thing that pops into your mind. So be appropriate, of course. And they don't need to rhyme, just 5 individual lines. And punctuation counts. Number 4, write 4. So you're doing 4 of them, but 4-line stanzas. Okay, so you do a 4-line stanza, that's 1. Do another 4-line stanza, that's 2. Another 4, another 4, that's 4. So about something you like about that you like or you like to do. And you can use any line scheme you want. So a line scheme, we did this with the affirmation assignment, but in this case, we are actually using rhyming schemes. So A, B, A, B. So lines 1 and 3 rhyme, lines 2 and 4 rhyme. And so there's one 4-line stanza you can do. Then you do AABB if you want. And then you can do ABBA. And one I didn't put down, ABCD. Okay, so there's 4 line stanzas. And there's 4 examples of it. Number 5, writing a poem using similes, so using like or as, and you can incorporate these examples here as your practice versions, but if you want to incorporate some of them as your actual version, totally up to you. Number 6, write a poem that makes analogies or comparisons. So I have night is to day as dark is to, love is to hate as tall is to, okay? So morning is to as evening is to night. So come up with your own there and do a poem, and how long the poem is. The average poem, regular poem, is about 3 lines. So just work from there. Number 7, write an original poem using analogies. So not the ones I created, but your own. Number 8, using metaphors. We've used metaphors many times to make connections and similarities between one thing and another for an Animal Farm and Hamlet. So come up with your own, and you come up with that. If that's one of your choices, that's all you have to do for that one. And again, you're looking at 3 or 4 lines per stanza until you have your poem and story told. And you can say a lot in a poem with those lines, and the more specific you are, the better. Do not do assignment number 6 because we've already done it. So that's why it's highlighted. Don't do that one. All right, so there's Writing 101, and that's your job for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And you can submit that anytime between now and Monday for sure. And of course, work on your TED Talks. Watch the video, December 7th video on TED Talks, and of course the projects for Animal Farm. That's also available on Google Classroom, I believe I posted, and YouTube. Okay, so other than that, good luck, take care, be safe.